Hi guys, today we're going to do the same thing as yesterday, but we're just going to add numbers. So an example of that would be 2 x to the 7th, y to the 5th, over 8 x to the 3rd, y to the 2nd. Now this is not something new. Guys, you've seen this before. You would just do 2 divided by 8 normally, okay? Just like you would in your calculator. 2 divided by 8. You'd hit 2 divided by 8 in your calculator, which would give you 1 over 4. Okay. Now we're going to look at our x's. Where's the bigger x? In the top, right? 7 minus 3 is 4, so it's going to be x to the 4th in top. Then we're going to do our y's. 5 or 2. 5 is bigger. And 5 minus 2 is 3, so y to the 3rd in the top. Now, guys, you could actually have x for y 3 over 4. It's the same thing as 1x for y 3 over 4. Doesn't matter. Absolutely fine. All right. If you need to pause at any time, pause and copy. But I'm going on to the next example. Let's go with a 14x3 y8 over 7x2 y5. All right, we're going to do 14 divided by 7 first. 14 divided by 7 gives us 2. So we're going to put a 2 in the top. Now we're going to look at our x's. Where's our bigger x? 3 or 2? Well, 3 is bigger, and 3 minus 2 is 1. So since the bigger number is in the top, x is going in the top, and it's bigger by 1. Now we're going to look at the next part. X to the 8th over x to the 5th. 8 minus 5 is 3. So since the 8's bigger, our y is going in the top. And 8 minus 5 is 3. So our answer really is just 2x y to the 3rd. All right. Ready for another example? See, this is pretty repetitive, so we're not going to do many examples of this. I might just, do 1 or 2 more. All right, the next one, let's go with 18 x4 y3 over 6 x y3. Okay, 18 divided by 6 gives us 3. Okay, now we're going to look at our x's. We have a 4 here, and down here, remember, this is an invisible 1. If you want to put your 1s, you can. 4 is bigger, so our x is going to go on the top. And 4 minus 1 is 3, so it's going to be x to the 3rd. Then we're going to look at our y's. Which one's bigger? Well, they're actually both 3's, and since they're the same, 3 minus 3 is 0, so they would cross out. So this is your answer. All right, one last example. Dun, dun, dun. Let's go with a fun color. With orange. Okay. Sorry, guys, take a long time. Let's go with 3x6y over 21x y to the 7th. All right, guys, if you were going to do 3 divided by 21 in your calculator, remember, you got to do the shift ABC. You got to put it in fraction form because you don't want it in decimal. And, guys, if you really can't do it, just do 21 divided by 3, and then remember the bigger numbers in the bottom, so put that number in the bottom if you really can't do that. But you actually get 1 over 7. Okay, so then we're going to look at our x's. We have x to the 6th over x to the 1st. So 6 is bigger, so our x is going to go on the top. And 6 minus 1 is 5. So x to the 5th in top. Then we're going to look at our y's. Which one's bigger? Y to the 7th or y to the 1st? Well, 7's bigger, so our y is going to go in the bottom. And then we're just going to do 7 minus 1, which is 6. 6. Guys, I hope this is getting super repetitive. I feel like I'm just saying the same thing over and over and over and over. But that's good because you guys need to get used to the repetitiveness so you understand it. Remember, feel free to email me or Google chat me if you have any questions on any of these videos. Hope you guys have a good day.